Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and tell me, have you ever felt like your gut has a mind of its own? One minute you're feeling great, energized, ready to take on the day, and the next, total chaos. You're bloated, uncomfortable, maybe even feeling sluggish and down. It's like your gut has decided to wage war on your well-being. We've all been there. But what if I told you there are specific foods, almost like secret weapons, that can dramatically shift this balance and start healing your gut faster than you might think? We're talking about real, lasting relief, not just a temporary fix. And the best part? These aren't some rare, exotic ingredients you can't pronounce, let alone find. We're talking about delicious, everyday foods that can make a world of difference. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you, starting with your gut. Before we reveal these powerful foods, let's talk about why your gut might be struggling in the first place. Think of your gut lining as a delicate shield, a barrier protecting you from the outside world. It's like the security checkpoint at an exclusive event, carefully deciding who gets in and who stays out. But when this shield, this gut lining gets damaged, it's like leaving the doors wide open at that event. Problems arise. Things get through that shouldn't. Imagine this. Your gut lining is made up of tightly packed cells, kind of like bricks in a wall. And when those bricks are strong and healthy, they keep harmful substances from entering your bloodstream. But when the gut lining is damaged, those bricks develop gaps, and suddenly things that shouldn't be getting through do. We're talking toxins, undigested food particles, even bacteria. This is what we call leaky gut, and it's a major player in a whole host of health issues, from bloating and digestive problems to skin issues, fatigue, and even autoimmune conditions. It's like a domino effect, one problem in the gut leading to a cascade of issues throughout the body. But here's the good news. You can heal your gut lining and restore order in your internal world. And it starts with understanding the enemy, inflammation. One of the biggest culprits behind a struggling gut? Inflammation. It's like a fire inside your digestive system, causing all sorts of trouble. But don't worry, we're not talking about the kind of fire you can see. This is a silent fire, smoldering within, and it can wreak havoc on your gut health. Remember that delicate gut lining we talked about? Well, inflammation is like throwing gasoline on an already fragile structure. It weakens the gut lining further, making it even more susceptible to damage and those leaky gaps. But here's where the good news kicks in. Nature has given us powerful foods to fight back against this inflammation, to douse the flames and start the healing process. These aren't your average grocery store finds. These are like the superheroes of the food world, armed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can make a real difference. Can you guess which ones? We're talking about the vibrant, colorful fruits and vegetables you already know and love. Think of them as nature's medicine cabinet, stocked with everything your gut needs to heal and thrive. From the deep blues and purples of blueberries and grapes to the fiery reds of tomatoes and watermelon. These colorful foods are packed with antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, those troublemakers that contribute to inflammation. Berries, leafy greens, turmeric. These foods act like firefighters, rushing to the scene to calm the flames of inflammation in your gut. They're packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals. Think of free radicals as tiny troublemakers, wreaking havoc in your body and contributing to inflammation. Antioxidants are like the superheroes that come in and neutralize these troublemakers, restoring balance and promoting healing. But here's the real secret to maximizing the power of antioxidants variety. The more diverse your diet, the wider range of antioxidants you consume, and the better your gut thrives. It's like assembling a superhero squad with different powers, each contributing their unique strengths to the fight. So don't just stick to blueberries alone. As amazing as they are, branch out. Explore the world of colorful fruits and vegetables. Add spinach to your smoothies, snack on bell peppers, roast some sweet potatoes, and enjoy a rainbow of colors on your plate. Your gut will thank you for it. Remember, a diverse gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria living in your gut, is a healthy gut microbiome. And a healthy gut microbiome is key to overall health and well-being. Now that we've got the inflammation under control, it's time to rebuild that gut lining, to repair the damage and restore its integrity. And here's where an often overlooked group of foods comes in. They provide the building blocks, the essential nutrients your gut needs to repair and rebuild itself. Think of it like this. If inflammation is like a fire damaging a house, rebuilding the gut lining is like the construction phase, where we repair the damage and make it stronger than before. And just like any construction project, we need the right materials. That's where these gut-healing foods come in. One of the key players in this rebuilding process is collagen. Collagen is a protein that's like the glue that holds everything together. It's found in abundance in our bodies, especially in our skin, bones, tendons, and yes, our gut lining. But as we age, our natural collagen production declines, and factors like stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins can further deplete our collagen stores. This is where collagen-rich foods come in. Bone broth, for example, is a fantastic source of collagen. It's been used for centuries as a healing food, and for good reason. Collagen and gelatin act like bricks and mortar, sealing the gaps in your gut lining and restoring its integrity. Think of it as patching up those leaky spots, preventing harmful substances from entering your bloodstream and causing inflammation. Bone broth, as we mentioned, is a powerhouse when it comes to collagen. It's made by simmering bones, cartilage, and connective tissues from animals for an extended period, extracting all those valuable nutrients, including collagen. But bone broth isn't the only way to boost your collagen intake. Other great sources include chicken with skin on fatty fish like salmon, and even eggs. And here's a tip: quality matters. When choosing bone broth or other collagen-rich foods, opt for organic and grass-fed whenever possible. This ensures you're getting the highest quality collagen without any unwanted additives or hormones. But rebuilding the gut lining isn't just about collagen. We also need to support the growth of beneficial bacteria, the good guys that play a crucial role in gut health. A thriving gut depends on a delicate balance of bacteria. We've got the good guys, the beneficial bacteria that keep things running smoothly, and then we've got the not-so-good guys, the harmful bacteria that can wreak havoc on our gut health. When our gut microbiome is in balance, with the good guys outnumbering the bad, our gut thrives. But when this balance is disrupted, for example, by stress, poor diet, or antibiotics, the bad bacteria can take over, leading to all sorts of digestive issues. So how do we support the good guys and maintain this delicate balance? The answer might surprise you: fermented foods. Yes, those tangy, sometimes bubbly foods that might not sound appealing at first are actually teeming with beneficial bacteria, also known as probiotics. Probiotics are like reinforcements for your gut, adding to the ranks of good bacteria and helping to keep the bad guys in check. Beyond probiotics, your gut needs prebiotics, fiber-rich foods that act like fertilizer for beneficial bacteria. Think of prebiotics as the fuel that keeps the good bacteria in your gut thriving. They provide the nourishment these bacteria need to flourish and do their job effectively. And where do we find these prebiotic powerhouses? In a variety of delicious and often overlooked foods. Onions, for example, are a fantastic source of prebiotics. They contain a type of fiber called inulin, which acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. Garlic, another pungent favorite, is also rich in prebiotics, as are asparagus, leeks, and even green bananas. That's right, those bananas that are still a bit too firm to eat straight up are actually a great source of prebiotics. So don't toss them out. Slice them up and add them to smoothies, or bake them into muffins for a gut-healthy treat. Incorporating a variety of prebiotic-rich foods into your diet is like creating a feast for your gut bacteria, ensuring they have all the nourishment they need to thrive and keep your gut healthy and happy. So how fast will you feel the difference with these gut-healing foods? Some people notice changes within a week, but here's a crucial tip: listen to your body. Gut healing is personal. Pay attention to what works best for you. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Drop a strawberry or tea emoji in the comments. Start small. Add a serving of berries to breakfast, sip on some bone broth, or try fermented foods. Small changes lead to big gut health improvements. Your gut health impacts everything: energy, mood, even immunity. If you're ready to take control, start today. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more gut healing tips. One more unexpected gut healing food is... Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe for more health tips.